Hello everyone, thank you very much for joining me for today's daily snapshot. Today we're going to be looking at Boeing and its second round of layoffs, and we're going to be looking at the Ichimoku chart for Boeing. But before we do that, please take note and pay attention to the following important information. Please note that CFDs are high-risk products, and you should be completely aware of the risks that they pose. Also, please realize that this is general commentary only and does not constitute investment advice. And lastly, our sources of information. Okay, thank you very much for that. Let's get into it. These are the fundamentals that we're looking at. Boeing is currently offering its employees a second round of layoffs. This will be a voluntary layoff opportunity to depart with a benefits package. And we do note that in May, the airplane maker laid off 7,000 US workers. Now, we not aware of how many layoffs the company is expecting for the second round, but we will be watching that very, very carefully indeed. We do note that demand has plummeted for airplanes following global travel restrictions, and Boeing has had 6 straight months of net order cancellations. And this follows the grounding of the 73 MAX, which is challenging the company. The 73 MAX has been grounded since March 2019 following 2 fatal accidents. We do note a backlog of orders amounting to 4,400 planes, but these will depend very much on economic and lockdown conditions and may still be cancelled or deferred. Let's bring up the Ichimoku. This is the Ichimoku daily chart, and you can see that going back to May, there was a concerted effort by price to take out the pink cloud. It failed, and we now have the share price battling with current resistance. Okay, take a look at the lagging line. So I'm just going to drag this ellipse over here. The lagging line is this orange line, and it's looking to cross below price. Crossing below price would suggest a downwards momentum, and if price reacts off of cloud resistance, we're going to be looking to see if it crosses below this black baseline, and if the black baseline starts trending downwards. That for us would signal further weakness. Take a look at this on an hourly chart. The baseline over here is below price. You can see that this is not the baseline, the lagging line is below price. Here's the baseline is trending down. And now we're just waiting to see if price and the baseline break through this green cloud. And if that does, that would be a bearish development. Let's just take a look at the key takeaways. Boeing is taking strain under lockdown with 6 straight months of net cancellations. This has exacerbated the challenge faced by the company due to the grounding of the 73 MAX following the 2 fatal plane crashes. We do note that the company is cutting variable costs to improve operating margins. And we also see that there is a pipeline of orders. Okay, this is not guaranteed because deferments are a distinct possibility depending on economic and lockdown conditions. We do see that cloud resistance may see a reaction on the daily Ichimoku, and price moving below the daily baseline may be a signal of further weakness. I hope you found this snapshot useful. If you did, please click on the subscribe button below. Thank you very much for joining me today, and I look forward to speaking with you in the near future.